Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Govind and currently I am working as a data analyst at Addend Analytics. In this video, we are going to look at the overview of calculation groups. Like I will walk you through how we create a calculation groups in Power BI and what are other features it provides. So it is the basic overview of calculation groups. So please be with me till the end of this video. We can use that. So for using that, I'm taking this matrix, and from date table, I will choose this month in calendar. So here, just 17 and 18 data is getting visible because I have made a selection here. And let's say I want to work with this total sales, so I will drag this to the values, right? So here in the column section, I can use time intelligence table, this column. So I can start seeing all the values like MTD, QTD, value, and YTD. Now the question is that how to reorder this calculation items, because I want that my value should appear first and then YTD or MTD, QTD, like a particular order. How do we do that? So for doing so, you need to just select this calculation item. Either you can uh, like select a particular calculation item and you can use this option, which is move up, move down, move to the top, or move to the bottom, or you can simply do it with the interface itself. So value should appear first, I can drag it to the top, and then I want that MTD, QTD, I want this logic. So whatever the logic you want to keep, you can drag from here, or you can move, like use these options if you want to like move the calculation items up or down. You do not need to create a separate sorting column for arranging the calculation items. So if I show you, so my values appearing, then MTD, QTD, and YTD. Okay, so why I have used here matrix visual, because matrix is allowing me to use a column of this column. That's why I have used the matrix visual, and I can easily visualize all the calculation items, right? If I have to visualize more measures, like I'm just working with here total sales, I will take the total profit as well. So for both of the measures, total profit, total sales, I can see all the four calculation items that I have defined: MTD, QTD, and YTD. Right. Now the question is that instead of the matrix, can I visualize this calculation groups items in any other visual format, like the columns or line chart? Is that so? Wherever, like, let me show you. There is an option to accept a column. We can do that. So here I'm selecting this column chart, and the same column I will use month in calendar. And in y-axis, I can just put a total sales, right? Because I cannot use a column in that. And for using calculation groups, or to showing of showing calculation groups, we need a something that accepts column, right? So if I the legend, if you remember, in legend we always drag a column, right? So in legend I can use, if I'm working with I can say column or bar chart. So I will drag the legend here. So this is not a good way. So I will, instead of stacked, I will choose a clustered column chart, and let's turn on the data labels. Right. So this is a way of using it if not in the matrix. So this is how we can show a calculation group, right? If you want to hide something, like you just want to show uh, MTD or YTD only, so you can use this filter pen and directly you can choose it from here. Like I just want to show the YTD. So this is the YTD. I just want to show the QTD. So this is the QTD, right? So this is how you can use calculation group other than the matrix visual. Now you can also provide a slicer, because in slicer we can give a column. So, and I'm removing it from here, legend, right? So like user can select any calculation item that he wants to visualize. So I can do it from here.
Okay guys, so this is all about this video. I hope you would have liked this video, and if you are having any doubts, so please do let me know into the comment section. I would be happy to answer that. And subscribe to Addend Analytics for more insights, and like and share this video. Thank you so much.